Okay, I will show you how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. First, go to the Ubuntu website, download it, 32-bit or 64. Just download the actual ISO, not the other stuff. Next, if you don't have it already, go get Ubuntu. You might need it. Did you just say Ubuntu? I meant VirtualBox. Well, you might need that too. Just download it for your system, whatever. Oh, this is boring. Finally. Okay, download. And it has Mac versions too. Oh my gosh. Not sure how this will turn out because I'm using a really crappy mic. So maybe good, maybe bad. Right now I'm just talking to myself. Kinda lonely. So I open XP. Damn it. So you have Ubuntu. Name it. Go to Linux. Then go to Ubuntu. 32-bit is without the 64-bit. Choose your RAM. Then when you're done, press next. You want to not use, you want to make a new hard drive, make sure it's VHD. Next, it has make sure it's yeah, I'm just choosing a different folder than the original that VirtualBox installs it on, cause I can. I have 50 gigs, you can choose whatever. When it's done, go to settings. Change them to your liking. Now, you want to make sure your settings are the same as here, because if they aren't, depending on how many processors you want, it will be screwed up. So for more than one processor, you want all of these. You want that. Click it, because it's good for you. I don't care for floppies, so bye-bye floppy. Now, 128, recommended by me. And turn on 3D, because it's cool. And you kinda need it. Next, click on the plus button. Then, choose the ISO. Click whatever ISO you want. And then click OK. If you want more shared folder, then go to here, type in the address, and click auto mount. Then just click play. Plays good. Playing makes it play, because it can. That's weird. Load. It's Ubuntu. Ubuntu. You want to install Ubuntu. Next, unless if you want to install all that just takes too long, so I'm not gonna write down. You can do it afterwards. Anyways, now for those of you that want more hard drives, I know how to do it. I know how to do it, just don't want it because I don't know, for whatever. You can go to here, add it, format it, whatever. But I don't want to. So just click next, because that's the only hard drive, that's the only one there, so it automatically chooses it, you know, smart, like that. So it'll just load it, it'll just ask you for your settings and everything, your name, password, stuff like that. I skipped that. Don't think you want to know. Then just restart. It restarts. And well, you'll have to press, like, they'll say to press return the first time, which is enter for PC users. I skipped a lot of stuff because overall it took like 40 minutes, mostly because I wasn't paying attention to it when it was loading everything. And go to this website. I'll post in the links. You want to like once you're done installing, you won't have like full screen available right off the bat. You'll have to go into terminal and just put in some code. It's right there for you. Just like it, type in one line at a time, then press enter. But at the beginning you have to put like sudo su, S-U-D-O-S-U, just like for the first thing, and then it'll go to the root file. Then you can install from the root file, and it'll just play with everything. If you're unfamiliar with Ubuntu, like all the programming, you don't really care. Just makes it so it installs VirtualBox stuff. First one is just like updating to the latest version, getting all the updates in. I am on the latest version, so Ubuntu 11.10. If you're on any higher, obviously this video is old. But if VirtualBox doesn't change anything, then it's still relevant. I'm skipping those updates because it takes too long. So you can also install them later on. Just go to Software Center after you do all of this. It's the one above the U1. I didn't cut this out on, for those of you that just wanna see what happens, because there's some comments that I've read on videos like this before. They're like, I get some lines here, what do I do? Don't use Ubuntu then. It's not for you. sudo apt-get install something virtualbox something guest something utils. And then this took the longest. I cut it out. That's the cut part. Dots appeared out of nowhere. Oh my god. Oh wait, it's over. Exit for the first time to just like get out of root. Exit for the second time to close terminal. Then restart. Oh my gosh, how did it do that? Editing. That's it. This is just like check that I am on really old settings. Then just then you'll have to minimize it, then full screen it, and then it'll give you a full screen. Well, that's what happened to me. Not sure about you. If you close Ubuntu instead of restarting, then you won't have to. It's just install like that. So this is just me messing with everything, showing full screen, changing the background, because I can. Thank you for watching. If you like it then, and subscribe. Also subscribe to my many other channels if I have any, which I do.